Yo, what is going on, guys? Hopefully you are having a good day. Offroad Outlaws is the game on the market right now, and honestly, I've been playing for a good 2 or 3 weeks, and I really enjoyed it, but I have wanted to get more resources, more unlockables, whatever it may be, and I don't want to spend money on the game. If you guys are here, I'm sure you're in a very similar boat, but I have really gone searching for a good, reliable method to not have to pay for those resources, but still get them, and I actually stumbled across something on TikTok that I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys. It works really well. It works on my iPhone, it works on my buddy's Android, it works on iPads too, so it basically works on all of your guys' devices, which I'm happy about. Let me stop my babbling, let me start my explaining, and let me show you what I'm talking about, etc, etc. Let's get into it, guys. So as you can see here, I am running Offroad Outlaws here on my iPhone 11. Now, my iPhone 11 is great. I don't have any problems with my iPhone 11, but I am sure that some of you are running a different one. Just follow the instructions for your devices, kind of like settings, if that makes sense. There's going to be a couple things that might seem like they are only for iPhones, but they are on all devices as well. So just follow along the best you can. But here is the Offroad Outlaws, and here's my little money, all this kind of information up here. If you just go ahead, click on that, it's going to open up an Offroad, Outlaws mod menu. Now this is mod version 7.4. When I actually downloaded this, it was version 6. So they've added more stuff already. But yeah, I mean, like unlimited gold and money, I can literally just go ahead and turn that on. And then I'll even show you real quick. I could just hit this button right here, and let's see here. Go ahead and reset that, and then watch all my money up there, guys. There it goes. Look at that. Now I have a ton of gold, infinite gold, and infinite money. I have all of the infinite resources that I could ever want. And even though it says 9999999, as I spend it, like, that just stays 999, because it's like even higher than that, but it can't show numbers higher than that, I guess, if that makes sense. You guys are probably like, wait a second, I don't have that. What we have here is a massive app store. Let's see if we can find it. Where are we here, guys? There it is, Offroad Outlaws, and that's going to begin an initiation process. So what we're waiting for is a little pop-up here on our screen. So we're waiting for that pop-up right now. Boom, there it is. This website is trying to download a configuration profile. We do want to allow that. Awesome, guys. Now, let's go to the settings. You guys are going to go to the general section. And in VPN and device management, you should see Offroad Outlaws. Go ahead and hit that. Hit next. And then done. After that, guys, unless I'm mistaken, and I rarely am, yep, Offroad Outlaws is ready to go. Enjoy.